Hi everybody! In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way to add subtitles or captions to your videos using Canva. In today's video, I have a problem. I have a short video I've created and I need to add captions to it. So now I'm going to show you how to do that in case you ever have this problem. I'll click on YouTube video since my video is in landscape format. I'll drag my video here inside Canva. Today, I'll show you a quick way to add subtitles or captions to your videos using Canva. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way to add subtitles or captions to your videos using Canva. There's my original video, and right now it does not have any captions. So let's fix that. It's still uploading. Next, I'll go to Apps, then go to the top and search for caption. You have a few different options. This one app is Canva's. I've made a couple of videos on it already, so go check those out on my channel if you're curious. Now I'll choose this one. Click on it, then add in the video. I'll click on Export. Now you can see the video here, so now I'll click on it. There are many options. You can look through here and pick the ones you prefer. I'll choose this one. You can choose your font, change its size, and all this other stuff. I'm just going to leave it as it is right now, then click Render. Next, it will make the subtitles, and it's pretty fast. Now it's finished. Up here you can see the renders are the ones that are completed, so I'll click on this one. I'll make a new page, click on Add to Design, then the app will put it right there. Let's open it up. And that's how you do it using the Caption Craft app. There are other apps you can choose from too. If you went back to apps, you could search for caption or subtitle and try others. Either way, you'll find many apps in here that will actually create captions for you. So good luck and have fun making captions. Hi everybody! In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way to add subtitles or captions to your videos using Canva.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.